Man, so we finna go. Hey, what that boys say? Let me turn that down. They trying to copyright me. Hey, but I'm finna go ahead, get the best wings in the A, no cap, no kizzy. We finna go to touchdown, get some wings. Oh, it's the cops. I'm asleep. I'm gay. Yo. Damn. They done got one of my mans, fool. Hey, but we finna, I don't know if y'all can see them boys. I got this big ass Jeep blocking the way. I'm finna go get some touchdown. And we finna be, sliding, I think, the Top Golf later. And I ain't too much with that golfing crowd. But, yeah, that's what we got in store today. We might hit a car meet for y'all boys, man. We finna get lit. Wait till my brother, my twin flame, Jabron get back. You already know what's going on. We dropping bangers after bangers, no cap. I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get to the touchdown. The boys got some of that fire. I know y'all niggas is hungry as hell through the screen. Honey mild and pepper sprinkle. You gotta add a little ranch on that bit though. Let's put it to my boy crib. This nigga not here though. I gotta wait for him to get back, so. In the meantime, I'm chilling right now. In the meantime, I'm chilling. Eating good, eating great. Steak on my plate. Right on. This shit finna bust. But when y'all see this, man, y'all gonna laugh. This nigga done cut his hair looking like a whole goop. What? And Kai's in the building. You dig what I'm saying? So, I don't know what we got in store today. We finna pull up on my boys on real quick, and then we finna make a quick move for y'all boys. It is a car meet later if all the moves we got is dead, so I'm just letting y'all know y'all in for a night.
We gonna see. We on that car shit, though. We on that car shit, man.
No cap.
It's about to be summer. Cars takeover, man. Hey, y'all gonna see us in Florida. I got you. Y'all gonna see us in Florida, Cali, Houston, taking over everywhere. We went to New York City last year. That joint. It was all the moves. It was just bad timing with everything.
No cap, but for real.
You already know we go to Florida. We gonna make some shit shake. Feel me? We go to Houston. You already know that it just turn moves all year round, man. All summer. Y'all really gonna know what Kai's talking about. Got a little twin.
Hey, we making movies. We making movies, man.
Okay.
From now on, it's over. I'm done playing. We making movies, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel. You finna make a channel?
I'm about to make a channel too.
Hey, I'm gonna drop his channel. Link gonna be in the description. Y'all subscribe there. Follow the Instagram.
Yeah.
Marcellus.Turner.
Yeah, J-Bo, Y-E-A-A-J-A-B-O. There it is. I get my new phone on Thursday, so you feel me? I'm gonna be doing my own vlogs and then start the channel up.
He gonna be dropping vlogs from West Georgia. I'm gonna be dropping them hoes from the A. And then whenever we collab, you know, you dig what I'm saying? It's gonna be hyped up.
It's gonna be a weekly thing too. Get my wheels in the next 3 weeks. We gonna be up, man. Ain't nothing to say. Hey, Torn. How you think this summer about to go though, bro?
Hey, summer we outside, and it's for entertainment purposes only. We only outside for y'all boys. I know y'all want to see it, so that's what we finna be on. We finna be straight outside, and that's for y'all.
Hey, Twin said the best, man.
But make sure right now y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I've been gone for a minute. I know y'all don't miss me, but I'm back though. I'm back.
Either
man.
way,
I'm back.
Like it or love it. Either way, we back with it, man.
But we gonna have. YouTube, tell me why me and my brother pull up to the gym and his stepdad got a TRX just sitting here. He just bought this TRX, man. This shit, it goes crazy. Y'all know the markups on these TRXs. Y'all know the markups on these TRXs. No way, you know I got the Chally Park right next to it though. This man. Time.
I know he don't know what he got.
Whoa! 6.2 liter. You hear me? You hear me? Hey man, safe man. Hey, you don't know what he got. You hear me, kid? Hold on, I need to hit a hood, the wine. Grab it. Whoa! You don't know what he got. Hey, you don't hear that wine, fool. That man got a TRX. You didn't hear the wine, did you?
Boy.
Twin, you ain't know what that is, fool.
Like damn, she calling me Sally. Now run a nigga in the alley. Like damn, I feel like the man. Like damn, they call me the hitman. Like damn, I'm shooting it up, healing up like a med kit man. Like damn, I got the dress on, me and Twin, and we get the head on.
Gang,
got
gang.
a big leg, get the bed on.
Gang,
get
gang.
the money, got to get the bread on.
Gang, gang.
And we got a good watch and that gold on them big chain. Feel like the man, I'm a big T, and I leave a nigga in with a big pain. Like damn.
Yo, we on YouTube, so we can't even cuss. I'm making magic. I ain't talking about the school bus. But magic, cause she want this Johnson. I hit that bitch and that bitch get throbbling. Damn.
Damn. He said we can't cuss. Like say I'm talk off the top. Like damn, we take it to school. I gave a girl a brain pop.
What?
Like damn, she liking it up. Like damn, she calling me Toby.
Gang.
Like damn, I
Gang,
do
gang.
the robot. Damn,
Ooh.
she calling me Tim and Moby.
Ooh,
Like damn.
she calling you Tim and Moby. I tried that bitch like Obi Wakanobi.
Walking over, hitting a left, and they call me Ginobili. Like shooting the 24, mama down there, I'm Kobe.
Alright, next beat, fool. Hey, y'all boys, man. We're gonna get y'all just a little something real quick. Just a little something light while I'm with Tim real quick.
I got Mikey with that for sure.
I'm with Twin. Yes, I'm in the other car. He in the Z. Dumb, damn, ABZ. Too fast, you can catch me. Damn, you gotta look at the back. Damn, I hit that bitch from the back. Damn, I hit that bitch from the side. My bitch might ride like Bonnie and Clyde. Niggas come up, but we might have to shoot him. Take up that bitch to the Bermuda. Damn, triangle. But I ain't talking about the Illuminati. I'm fucking that bitch and I might just pop me up a perk. I guess me Scotty too hotty. We at the gas station, my heart racing. Damn, I'm off the shit, yeah, I'm pacing.
Damn, you know that he pacing.
Let's go.
I feel like
Let's go.
now I'm racing,
Gang.
hitting the gas. You know
Gang.
that that's lacing. Like,
Gang.
like damn,
Gang.
I steady
Gang.
keep pacing. Feel like the man, they calling me Mason.
Let's go.
I'm slicing shit like I'm Jason. Cut the
Ooh.
words out, I feel like a rape. Like damn.
Whoa, what did he
Let me
say?
Backing it up, like stacking
did he
it
say?
up, going up. Then now she backing it up, like she whacking it up. Tell her that bitch see you later. Damn, I hit right back with a Napster like a hamster, and I'm throwing dice with the 90 chest like I'm Stafford, like that.
Chopping shit down like a gator. She was some candy, so I took her to Kroger. I gave that bitch a lifesaver. I guess it's to now and later. Cause I'm saving my paper for later. I'm saving my paper when I get old. I feel like one bitch got a big bowl. Flicking on a bitch, she got her toes. Damn.
Pretty bitch with a tummy hair. She chew me up like a gummy bear.
Damn.
Like damn.
Damn.
Oh, it's gonna there. Like I'm looking like what's in there.
Damn.
Like damn, she loving me now, recording. Like damn, you know I'm teleporting. Like damn, she loving I come now. She knows
Damn, she wants some water cause she is too thirsty. She ate it like a chocolate bar and now I'm talking about Hershey. But dark chocolate, psych, cause I'm milk. I put that bitch and I buy her some silk. Damn, buy her some silk. I might buy her some titties. Say she ain't give shit for me cause she ain't coming with no bitch.
Talk about her, she hit with a bit back, breaking the bit just like a Kit Kat, hitting it up and feeling like West.
Let's go.
The bitch, and she
Let's
feel
go.
like a pretzel.
Woo.
Like damn, she loving
Woo.
the chocolate.
Woo.
Not pretty bit
Woo.
in the mosh pit.
Woo.
Like damn, she talk about the cash out. Like bit, like what is that?
2 to 3, I might have to cash out. Cash out. Hey,
out,
look.
No sale, November.
Hey, look, that's just a little something for y'all boys, man. We got Yazan over here to the left of me.
I'm trash right now, y'all boy.
Hey, we just warming up for y'all boys. We gonna rap again later. I think we finna hit this car meet for y'all boys. You dig what I'm saying? Yo. What's up, cat? Hey, it's a car meet tonight. Trying to hit this car meet. Right now? Ants, what you gotta say, twin? What that mean, fool? Huh? You're bugging.
I said get money.
Oh, alright, get money then. Get money then, son. But the camera finna die, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get to the meet. What the fuck y'all laughing at?
Hey,
Huh?
can I use that charger?
Beat it.
Please?
Hell no.
Bro, I can't play music.
What that mean? I need my charger.
Bro, please.
Nah.
I can't play music.
What that mean to me? You better listen to the radio. Nigga better listen to the radio.
One of those ever boy.
I need it. I'm on one. Go buy a charger at Kroger.
I'm not.
Pull up to Kroger.
I don't need the charger. You need the charger. I'm not buying it, bro.
You have the thing. You have the small thing.
Hey, like I say, y'all boys, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get to the meet, man. You dig what I'm saying? No count. Hey, YouTube, man, this bitch is deep as fuck. This bitch is too deep. I got my nigga eyes right here, though, no cap. Read that bit, Liddell. Let me see. They ain't finna read that bit though. Big cat, you dig what I'm saying? Everybody got some fast shit out there, bit. Let's see that. Oh, Z.
Shit, bro.
This bitch is deep as y'all, nigga.
We're going to Walmart? We're not going to Walmart?
I don't know, I'm trying to get the Addy. I ain't gonna lie, YouTube, y'all haven't even seen the front. You ready to go up there? Hey, let me go ahead and show y'all boys the front of that bit though. When y'all see that bit, y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? I lost my nigga Zon. Tell me why my nigga Aaron almost crashed on God. Oh, they talking about some Walmart. I'm finna slide over there and get the Addy. It's some Addy in Sugarloaf. I'm finna pull back over around here. I know y'all hearing the shit. Hey, the op. Hey, we finna get this Addy and we out, nigga. Fuck you talking about. That nigga's. Hey, I know you hear that cat. Damn, they got 12 outside, fool. Hell nah, these niggas. We gotta find where niggas is going though. That's the real. Hey, where niggas at?
Oh, he's leaving.
Who leaving?
Aaron leaving.
I need to find your Zon. Where my nigga is on at though?
He's on park over there. Damn!
You lost his ass? I am too.
Aaron's leaving.
How did he get the Addy? He's such a bitch. Hey, niggas like that blow. He got the Addy and share that bit with nobody. We finna find next. Yo. Y'all boy got the next Addy? Taco Bell? Alright, hey, y'all heard it first. We finna go around that bit. Head to the Taco Bell. Too much shit going on. Way too much shit going on. It's too much shit going on.
I had to cut the cats.
Huh?
Some cut my cats on that bitch loud as fuck.
Oh god. Hey, you know when the cops pull up, niggas gotta slide through. Niggas said hood on. We had the Taco Bell. Hey, it's on a bitch too. How that nigga just gonna slide without us?
All these niggas is calling.
Who calling you? Ain't nobody calling me. I'm finna pull up on you.
Yeah.
They saying.
Where y'all going? They said some.
They said Taco Bell. Where y'all going?
They said Taco Bell. What's Taco Bell? Here's one.
Yeah, nigga, duh.
Put in that. Here's Taco Bell.
I bet.
Look. Get the Del Taco.
They said Del Taco?
Oh, alright.
No, I got the Charlie with me.
I bet. I bet.
So look, you know how
Alright, so we'll Taco Bell.
Hey, I'm right behind you. Damn. Hey, it's YouTube. You see how deep this shit is? What the I don't even want to say shit, twin, cause man, what the fuck, man? That bit deep, twin. Hey, this for y'all, boy, man. Y'all know I don't be going out like that, nigga, home by this shit. But hey, I'ma catch you when we at the new location, new cars, all that. You dig what I'm saying? What you mean?
It's not the first one.
I ain't gonna lie, fool. I could have sworn this bitch was like way deeper 3 seconds ago, bro.
Nigga, you regular still here? Was that a Supra? That's a Supra. What the fuck?
Let me go ahead and show y'all boys the meat. I need a.
Nigga, there's hella pumps here. Hella nice stuff.
Who calling me? It probably is on and shit. My nigga answer calling me. Hey, don't do too much on my phone. Yo, where you at?
Nigga, come into the fucking meet, nigga. Like, if you come in, you'll see it.
Where you at?
Nigga, you're all the way down there.
Where you at? Pull in. Oh, it's not at Del Taco, fool.
It's behind, what's that? It's behind Taco Bell.
Hey, pull up to Northside Gwinnett Hospital. How far is that?
Come on, nigga, hurry up. Come on, bro.
Huh? Hey, pull up to Northside Gwinnett Hospital. That bit right around the corner, fool. And we got parking for you. My phone broke as hell.
Bitch!
That's that nigga Aaron. Hurry up. How far it is? How far it is? We got that trap bit for you, mama. How far it is?
How many, nigga? That shit took me like the move.
Hey, bro, that bitch should be right around the corner, bro. I'll pull up.
Bro, that shit sounds loud as fuck. It's not even rolling, bro. But that shit told you to get the fuck out the way, bro. I wouldn't go personally.
Oh.
That track told me to get out the way, bro. I'm not going personally.
Hey,
bro.
tell me why I told him to pull up at Del Taco. They at Del Taco.
Where the fuck is Del Taco?
I don't know, but they're there.
Oh, you came back from round 2?
And we not at Del Taco. Hey man, that meat kinda deep. Hella shit pulling up.
Little caddy baggy.
Where y'all boys is at, man?
So you telling me I was in the wrong? So you telling me I was in the
Oh
wrong?
God, you was in the wrong.
But listen,
this nigga, bro, this nigga almost crashed. So
not slowing down. Did you see how fast he was going down?
y'all gotta know, yeah, we had to be when these niggas slide.
No.
These niggas just sliding. Y'all
Like, he didn't
tripping,
even see
fool.
us like he didn't even bother slowing down. Like imagine that shit.
This nigga almost crashed out,
on
fool.
fire. I would've been dead on impact. But you can't say what I did wasn't smart as hell though.
Nah, you did. That the other nigga in front of you, he was about to run over your ass though. You see that little ass car?
Nigga, all I told you on the other side. I was like, what the fuck?
Cause I panicked. I ain't gonna lie. I said, what the fuck am I gonna do? I don't know what to do. I said, fuck it. I'm finna get in front of these niggas.
I was thinking, like, where are you going?
To save my
I'm
life.
gonna show y'all boys somebody whips in a minute.
I know you was going.
You're definitely big brain for that.
My life flashed before my eyes. I ain't gonna
Nigga,
lie.
why did you keep going? Why did you stop?
Nigga, if he would have stopped,
Nah, cause the way
got smacked.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, it would've
I was
got.
gonna try to be on your ass.
Nigga, if you were behind me, where's the super coming?
And he was coming from this way. He was going straight.
Yeah, he
I
was going
would-
straight.
I
The
would-
light was yellow. This nigga was, I ain't gonna lie, 100 cars back. Like, if you was moving a little bit faster, I was gonna be
You
on
ain't
your
got
ass.
that plate
but
tucked.
The way he was moving, I don't even think I had enough time, so that's why I had to cut him off.
Bro, I didn't even see shit, bro. I didn't see none of
I
that.
ain't gonna lie to you, nigga. If you seen that, like, if you seen that shit, and your dash cam, you'd be like, what the fuck?
I didn't even think.
Hey, I'm I'm still waiting for my nigga Yazan to pull up to that bit.
Look. I'm thinking like, okay, there's a light. He gonna slow down.
But they got that clean ass Mercedes.
What y'all know about that shit? That's that real exclusive shit, nigga. The strawberry Rice Krispie treats, nigga. We really live out here.
I heard the G go.
That's why you almost died today, fool. Yo, like, nigga almost died and shit. Fit for the day.
I appreciate my life more.
I fit for the day, man, and my brand, man. I go shop my brain, you know what I'm saying?
I need to be like
fit for the day. That's what I always got at the meet. Chill fit. This nigga always gotta overdo it at the every meet we go to. The fuck is that?
that's the shit. That's the shit.
What?
You didn't see that shit?
Is that what you got?
No, fuck that shit. I'm talking about nigga almost hit another car backing up.
Yeah, I mean, big
Like
cat.
what the fuck? Niggas can't drive here. Like, can you not hear that?
Where you at, fool? Don't piss me off, cause nigga, we outside. We outside with my nigga Max. Hit your bitch from the back.
Hit your bitch.
Stupid ass.
Pulling on a track.
Trying to walk around?
I ain't trying to die. Let me tell you for you, son. I really want to go look
He's taking too long, fool. I sent that nigga to low 3 hours ago. I sent that nigga 3 different lows.
It's his fault, too. It's this nigga's fault.
It was 5 minutes ago.
Fool, I sent that nigga 3 different lows, fool.
Nigga,
I'm not
we
even
seen
gonna
y'all
lie.
leaving. We was like, damn, these niggas gonna leave like that? Fuck it.
Who memorized that nigga's Instagram?
Cause he a famous ass nigga.
Who?
SRT Polo.
Yo, that shit says Pink Flamingos. I already know what day's on.
Don Flamingos. Big Don.
Oh my god, he can drive. Oh, who brought the AMG out?
Stop capping on his name. He has a backup camera.
It doesn't matter.
That ass shit.
That shit is
know how to
bad.
drive to use that shit. That's why they cover it up on the driving section.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I be looking at. I remember my
This
driving
man
test, I
be the
stared at it.
This man be the Hellcat Challenger. Oh, don't put me on camera. No. Your car should be money
Is he
or
beating
what?
the Corvette? You're already on camera,
No,
twin.
This is a red eye. A red eye.
Red eye.
Red eye. You don't see the red eye? It's a red eye.
Where's the eye? It's fake. No.
No.
It's fake.
You need better glasses.
No.
Yes.
No.
Fake glasses.
No.
We got that bit. No cap. Hey, this nigga is, I don't know what the fuck wrong with this nigga. This nigga is a fucking
Cause you told
dope.
him different locations.
Maybe because you almost crashed. I had to get this nigga to stay out the way from you. You dangerous, man.
Oh my god, I got the butterfly door?
Where?
Wait, where the track hall going?
Nah, that's not the loud one, but it's the quiet one.
Fuck, it's still a track hall.
I know.
What's his credit score? 60?
Bro, stop asking me for credit scores before they shoot.
30 minutes later. Fuck is y'all niggas doing, bro? Eating each other's ass? Huh?
What up?
What you gotta say to the two, bro?
Sub to the tube, man. We get money for
You
Nigga, you gotta tell me that before, nigga.
Nigga, I'm already recording shit, just rolling. You gotta know.
This nigga sent you like 5 ads. I didn't know. already know.
Nigga, how the fuck
Inconsistent ass.
did we all get
Who?
You, nigga.
Nigga trying to lie my shit on. Nigga, my shit alive,
left
nigga.
the same place at the same time. How the fuck everyone at different locations?
Because when
bro?
cops came, you know what I'm saying, we scattered.
Bro, you scattered. We this nigga Mark.
Yeah, nah, we were
This
still
nigga
chilling.
running.
Guess y'all got that
Damn,
dog
they
in
got
y'all
the
cats out today. We in the hood for real. That bitch sounds low.
Nigga, this shit bricks, nigga. Fucking me. I'm just trying to do this for my boys on the tube and shit. Fuck this shit though. Nigga, goddamn, boy. Nigga, shit. Like, you know, I got that shit on the Queens and me and shit. Cold as shit, fool. I ain't gonna too much lie to you. I ain't no cap ass nigga. Nigga, it's cold as hell. Nigga, it's on got a damn winter coat. What up, twin? Shut your gram. Shut your gram out, twin. Shut your gram out, fool.
Slim Shady.
Bro, what in the coonery?
What did he say, bro?
Fucking stupid shit.
Never mind, bro. We don't want him at the same time.
God damn, fool, we at the. Y'all know what this is, fool. I ain't gonna lie, y'all know what this is. Ain't nobody getting wicked over that bit. God damn. My nigga ears. Damn. That shit loud as hell.
Yeah, that shit blew my ear. Good ear, nigga.
I'm trying to see where the action be at though.
That shit hard. You got the whole holy shit too. You need to get that one.
That's that V6 for real. Shit tough.
Do they look alike?
Oh, nigga, there.
You guys hurry. Nigga, I fucking whip up all that shit, bro.